now we are going to discuss about same calendar months. See, in the previous discussion we have done the between the months concept. So now a little bit what we can say higher level or a consolidation of the concept now. Consolidation of the concept. So it will be very concise and precisely we will do now. Right? So our concept, general concept is finding odd days if there are any weekdays. That means 7 days are there. So we have to remove that one to find out the odd days. Right? And our prime motto always, you should be in a mode that for any question in calendars, we have to use code plus or minus odd days. And you that is keep away that negative sense and use positive sense to get the answers. That is code plus odd days is equal to the day, like that, right? So let us start now the same calendar month. See, just observe February, that is 28 days, the February 28 days, having 28 days, and March. That is a normal year. In a normal year, if you observe the calendar, just open the calendar and see that one, right? Pause the video and just see what is that February and March. If you see February and March, both resemble same, February and March. You see that one, February 1st Monday, then March 1st is also Monday. February 10th is Wednesday, March 10th is also Wednesday, like that, right? It happens like that. Why it is so, right? Now, that is called the same calendar month. Those two are generally, if you are, say, the general notion, if February, people know this one also. If February having 4 Sundays, March also will have 4 Sundays. That is a general notion, that is, right? We'll see that one later, right? Now, coming to, first of all, how to confirm whether it is the same day or not. Let us see. February 1st to February 1st, consider, if I say February 1st is on Monday, say Monday. How the March 1st will be, let us see. Just like the previous between months calculation, right? So February month 1st is over. February, then February, that is how many remaining? That is, we have to count the remaining days, is it not? So February remaining are how much it is? Days, 27 days. It is 28 days. 28 days month I am taking. That's why it is 27. Because February 1st, 1 day is over. So it is 27 days remaining. Okay, fine. According to our calculation, March 1st is also, we have to consider March 1st also. That is 1 day. Is it not? Okay. So Monday is what? The code of Monday is what? Monday is 1 plus, then 27, how many odd days are there? 27 by 7. So 7 3 is 21, that is 6. So 6 odd days plus, and here Monday. If you see that 1 plus 6 plus 1, it is 8, again divided by 7, that is 7 1 is 7, that is 1. 1 means which day? That is Monday. Right? So, if February 1st is Monday, March 1st is also Monday. Why? Because if we see this after this one, that is the in between the dates, we got odd, that is odd days as 7, that is nothing but 0. 0 odd days. So in between any two dates, while calculating, if you get odd days as 0, as a multiple of 7, definitely can say both are of same dates. So this calculation I will make much more simpler now, right? So no need to worry about all these things. Just you see, February 1st to February 1st is considered as 1 month. February 1st to March 1st is considered as 1 month, right? Sorry, that is February 1st to, that is 1 month. 1 month of which month? February month. February how many odd days? That is 28 days. 28 days months. 28 days means odd days, that is 0 odd days. Directly can say February, that is 0 odd days means, so March 1st will be the same day. Clear? So in between 28 days, that is. Now, let us go with the next discussion. Let me introduce now. Already we have done this one, but again, the January to December, let us see what happens. Okay, that is January, that is 3 odd days as there. February, either 0 or 1, right? Like this, August, that is 3, fine. Okay, now, suppose January in a normal year, if you consider that one, if I start with March, between the months, we need to get what? We need to get what? Between the months, if we get odd days as 0 or 7 or 14 or 20, multiples of 7, odd days as 7, definitely can say those 2 months, which month? Starting month and that whatever the month is we have taken, right? The ending month and starting month will resemble same. That means same calendar month. 28 days. February, we got that one, right? February to March, in between 28 days. In the same way, whatever the starting and ending you will take, no? So in between, if you get 0 or 7 or 14 like that, that is definitely will have the same calendar months. Both these two are same calendar months. Clear? Now, if you see here, if I start with April, I'll start with April. I want to see which is the same calendar month in this year. Which is the same calendar month in this year. Same year, not next year or previous year, right? So I'll start with this one in April. That means if April and May are similar, I should get 0 odd days or 7 days or 14. But it is not so like that, right? I'll start from April. I'll count all these odd days now. I'll see. There is April, 2 odd days, right? Okay, 2. I am not getting, whenever I get 7, you can stop me, right? So 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 7, we got 7 means, so stop there. You stop there and say that is April and July, both are similar or same months. April and July both are similar. Understood? Previously, we have done February to March. February 1st to March 1st. But don't remove that first, right? February, I want to compare with February and March. February, how many odd days are there? February, how many odd days? 28. 28 means how many odd days are there? That is 0. 0, if I get 0, this month and the next month. What is the next month? After 28 days, that is March. So, both resemble same. That is the concept. Right? Again, I'll make a little bit more clear about this one. You see, April, April, how many odd days? 2. May, 3. June, 2. Since we got 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is 7. 7 odd days are over. The next month, is it not? February, that is odd days are 0. The next month, that is it not? The same way here, April, May, June, that is odd days are 7. So it is nothing but 0. So since I got 0, the next month is July, will resemble the same. Clear? Now, we don't take much risk in this one. Directly, you try entire months. You start with Jan and try up to November only, because December, if you are trying for Jan, till December you should not see, only up to November, because next month should be there, no? So next month should be there, that is. So that means December calculation must be there, okay? The month must be there. Okay, if I say So I got this one. I think you understood this one. Now, for your, I'll do another one question. I'll start with January only. I'll start with January. Then you try for rest of them, right? April over means July is also over. Combination over. Okay. I will try for another combination, whether it is coming up to December or not. Maybe the chance is there for till December. No. July may pair with another month also. Let us see. Till here we got how much? It is 7. There is 0. Over. No. Up to here, there is June. It is over. Is it not? Up to here, see. 2, 3, 2 man. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7. Over. Right? Okay, there is 0. Now, see, again start. 3, 6, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 over, there is. So, we can't, if it is 14, then definitely December should be but it is 13. So, over. In this calendar, only April, July are similar. That is, April is pairing with only July. Rest of them we'll see now. Jan. See, we will make charts, but base concept is needed. Don't by heart this calendar concept. Otherwise, it will go wrong definitely, right? See, I'm starting with Jan, right? Jan, 3. I'm going with normal year only. Normal year, right? So, normal year, 3, 0. That means 4. 3 plus 0, 3. 6, 8, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 19. 21. That is, that is 21. Stop there. That is. So, we stop at September. Next is October. That is. So, we started with Jan. We are ended with September means the next month is what? October. So, Jan and October resemble same in a normal year. In a normal year, I am saying. So, in the same way, Jan, October paid. February already paid with March. Try March till December, whether it is there any combination there? Let us see that one, right? So March, if you start with March, maybe March paid with February, that's fine. But next till December, you check that one, right? Okay, March 3, 3, 5. I'm starting with March means I'll put around this round here. 3, 5, 8, 10, 13, 16, 18, 21. Got 21 up to here 21. Means what is the next month? That means October is over. What is the next month? November. So that is definitely March and November resemble same. Already March is paired with February. That means February, March and November, all these 3 resemble same. I'm saying resemble same. Means similar, that is, same means resembles, resembles means that is almost near, that is, right? Because exactly, they are not exactly same. February may have 28 days, March have 31 days, and November have only 30 days. Though they are like that, but they start with the same day. They start always with the same day. Though they are not ending, but they start on the same days, right? Okay. So in this way, you try all the combinations and you will get definitely the thing. What is that one? That is, you make a table, or else I'll show you that one. You see this one. So we have taken this. Yes, 28 days, February 1st to March 1st, 28 days. Is it not? Then. And we have seen the Monday, if it is a Monday, that is, say that is Monday again, Monday we got, is it not? Then just a small division, right? In a leap year or the 2 months, okay, that is. So here we will see, let me show you some. Yeah. Same convention normally, yeah. You try that one, and we'll try another. You see the questions, we'll start with the question, then we'll go with that, right? So, yeah. In a leap year, are the 2 months January and April start with the same day? Are the 2 months, that is January and April, will start with the same day? Just observe that one. So here, Jan is, you try that one, pause the video, then start, right? So January 1st, sorry, no need of any dates here. Jan, Feb, March, and April, right? That is. So they are saying April means we have to say up to only March, is it not? So let us see. January, that is how many odd days are there? 3. February, how many odd days? Leap year, 1 day. March, 3, that is. So total how many? 7 over, that is. So once we got 7, the next month and the starting month, that is starting month is Jan, next month is April. So January and April resemble same. Definitely both will resemble same, that is. Clear? Okay, then. Coming to the next part. In a leap year, are the 2 months January, okay, on the same day, that is, okay, this is an explanation I have given, right? The same thing, that is next month. So definitely 313, that is 7th, over, same. That's why next month is April, right? Then, identifying same calendar month in a normal year. That is what we have done. And now, you see that normal year odd days. You see the normal year odd days here, right? So January, that is 3, you make it a table, and I have taken a vertical way, that is, this is a horizontal way, right? So whichever is convenient to you, you can do that one, no problem, right? But now you make a table, and January also, or January paid with what? In a normal year, this is a normal year. January paid with what? Previously we had done, right? Jan paid with October. February paid with February, March, and November. All these are one and the same. And rest of them you try the rest of them, we will get April and July, right? So I'll show you that one, right? So there is, first one is January, October, right? And next one, Feb, March, November, right? And then next pair, April, July. Even April, July will resemble same, right? April 30, July 31, doesn't matter, right? But they are, you can say, instead of same calendar, it is similar calendar, you can say, right? Same means exact. Similar means almost near, right? Okay. And September, December, it is also, September pays with December. September pays with December. If you observe in this same calendar, a little bit more cautious, which are the ones which are not combined? There is no combination here. You see, Jan, February, March, April, May, no May, May, June, no June. July is there. August, no August, right? September, August, September, October, November, December. Or only 3 months we don't have the combination, that's all. In the normal year, we don't have combination for May, June, and August. May, too much sunny, summer. June, too much winter, is it not? That is, winter means monsoons. June, right? So May, June, that's why you think whatever it is depending on you, right? So May, June, and August. August, since independence month, there also no chance. Independent, that is. Okay? May, June, August. This is the way you have to remember. Rest of them, that means 9 months having some combinations, only 3 months don't have. Okay, fine. Now you try for same calendar month for leap year also. Same concept. You have to try. You have to make a chart. So use pen for first of all that table and use pencil for solving that one, right? If there is any mistake, then again you can rub that one and solve, right? This way you try and you'll get, you see, same months in leap year, right? Same months or similar months I can say, that is, right? Okay, that is, the first one is, see, the point, if you try that one, I will let you know, if this is the case for normal year, in this one, which will be disturbed due to leap year? In leap year, why it is leap year? Because February 29th comes here. Is it not? February 29th comes. Okay. Since February 29th has come, some groups will be disturbed here. Which are those? Just see. January and October, February 29th has come in between. Okay, definitely this will be disturbed for leap year. So this won't happen. First, okay, then. Coming to this one. Yeah, this one, February. Okay, it can't disturb March and November, this combination, because in between it is not there. It is out of this one. So February come out of this pair. February come out of this way. This entire combination, it comes out because so February won't match with March. Is it not? So February won't come out of this one. This won't happen. And here, April, July. Will February 29th disturb April and July? No. Even this one also, right? So, no problem. This one happens. September, December? Yes. Even September, December? Oh, no problem. It will also be same thing, that is, right? So here, the thing is, now, March, November won't be disturbed. This is fine. April, July, September, December, no problem. Our problem is now, the new problem comes. The thing is, whether January is paid, it came out, so whether it is going to pair with a new month or not, that is, you have to check that one, right? And February, since it came out, that also you will check, that's all. Only two combinations you will check for January and February, that's all. Rest of them as it is, right? So if you try that one, you will get now, try, right? Once you try that one, you see this. January pairs with April. Jan, now since it came out, it now pairs with April, July. See, luckily, no problem. So there is no new month for that is Jan. Jan pairs with now with April and July. Clear? Then. What about February? What about February? February, okay, March and November as it is. March and November as it is. But February pairs with what? August. See that one. February pairs with August. And last one as it is, September and December. Right? So this much analysis should be there while learning. Once you got this idea, framing of questions will be different, that is. So there you should not confuse. In order to not confuse there, so definitely you have to learn perfectly the concept behind same calendar month, right? Okay, so this is what the same calendar months. Now, let us come to the questions, right? Let us how the questions are framed, right? Okay, let us see. Which 2 months in a normal year have the same calendar? Which 2 months in a normal year have the same calendar? In a normal year, which 2 months have the same calendar? Just we have so many combinations for this one. Not only 2 months, 3 months also there. Just observe this one. Is it June and October? No. Jan and October, that is. January and October, right? It's not there. April and November? No. April pairs with July perfectly and November pairs with March. See that one, right? It can't be there. And October and Jan? Yes. It is not Jan, October. It is given other way around, right? October, January. January pairs with October, definitely. And December, August. December should pair with what? December should pair with September, not August, right? It should be September. Okay, so this is also wrong. See, once we got, that is, concept behind this one, don't by heart this one. That is my point is. Once you practice this one, based on your concept, it will be easy for you to get the answers, right? Okay, let us go to the next question. Only in a leap year, which 2 months have the same calendar? Only in leap year, right? That is, March, November repeats, is it not? March, November, April, July repeats, September, December, that is, so April, July, this is not only in this one, this is also in now normal this one. In both normal year and leap year, it happens. But they're asking only in leap year they want. So it can't be the case. This may be correct, but it can't be our desired answer, right? Okay. Now, March and November, it will also repeat in both the cases. Okay. Jan and July. Jan is pairing with what? April. April is pairing with July. So this is the only company. Actually, January, that is in normal year, January pairs with what? October. Is it not? Okay. So now it is now pairing with April, July. This is the case. What about September, December? In both the cases, it will be there. See how the question is framed. Once you learn perfectly, you can give the answer for this one. Otherwise, everybody say everything is correct. Without concept, everything is correct. Something question error is there that says. So you should not be in such a position, right? Once you learn the calendar, it must be given a correct answer on the spot, right? Okay. Coming to the next one. Now, only in a leap year, which 2 months have the same calendar? That is given. Okay, fine. Okay, next one. Now the actual question has come. Just see. Though it is not given the same calendar, but case is, see this one. Month to month calculations we have done, right? Now we will make use of our same calendar concept in this one. In a year, July 24th falls on Tuesday, then April 3rd falls on which day? See, if July 24th falls on Tuesday, April means July and April will resemble same. Is it not? So, July, you try that one, just see this one, and then you see the explanation. July 24th is on what? It is on Tuesday. Then definitely April. You have to say that is. Since these both are there, April 24th is also Tuesday. I need to go April 3rd. I need to find out April 3rd. You see this one, April 24th, 3 means, so you have to go back. How many days back? 24 minus how much is 3? 24 minus 21. Is it not? 24 minus 21 is 3. 21 odd days you have to remove. What is 21 odd days? 21 odd days nothing but 0 odd days. That means Tuesday minus 0, again it is Tuesday. Just by seeing, we can say, just by having a glance over there on the question, July and April both resemble same, and the difference between them also is odd days are 0. Hence, same day will come. See how perfectly and confidently you are getting the answers. Is it not? See, this confidence must be there on. Once you learn the concept only, then only you will be that much confident, right? Concept makes you confident. Okay? So just try the next one now. You try that one, right? See, even if this is options are wrong, you will be confident that definitely I am right. You can say that one. Though the options are wrong. Now, luckily, okay, your answer is what? Tuesday, you got that one. Okay, fine. But my point is, sometimes in exams, options will be somewhat errors will be there. Is it not? So, don't bother about that one. Be confident about your concept only, right? Concept make you perfect. Then, next. Okay. In a year, yes, November 9th falls on Saturday and March 19th was on which day? Give me the answer this one, right? See, November and March means both are resemble same, is it not? So once November November 9th is on Saturday, definitely March 9th, March, not 19th, March 9th is also on Saturday. It is also on Saturday. And we have to find March 19th. March 19th means how many days before or after this one? March 19th is definitely after, right? So how many days after? 10 days after. So 10 days means how many odd days? 10 divided by 7. This is how much? It is 3, right? So it is 3. So Saturday is the code is 6 and this is 3. So it is plus 3 or minus 3? Plus 3. 6 plus 3, that is 9. Again divided by 7, that is 2. 2 is Tuesday only because you got the answer as same calendar, that is. Since we got considered as same calendar, it will be that much easy. Nobody, I can say, I assure you that there is nobody can integrate the concepts. Nobody can integrate the concept. That is what I mean to say. Some people, maybe 1% or 2% will be there, but what I mean to say is in calendars, how to integrate the concepts that is very important, right? Okay. Coming to, this much is enough for you, that is regarding the same calendar, right? Even then, right? Okay, fine. So, this is regarding the same calendar month, right? In the next topic, we deal the same calendar year also, right?